Welcome to Libby Tutorial. Libby provides the services of Electronic Lab Notebook and Laboratory Information Management System. The detail view in Libby displays the detail of a record. Libby uses columns to store structured data, and sections to store unstructured data. This tutorial will walk through the functions related to the columns view. To open the columns view of a record, click the name of a record in the list view. You shall able to see the columns view in the new tab. If the sections view is opened in default, you can switch to the columns view by clicking the columns view at the side panel. You can define the columns view to be opened in default by changing the default view to columns in the table settings. The columns view displays the structured data in a table. The columns can be grouped into fixed columns and customizable columns. The fixed columns is identical for each table. These includes the SID, unique ID, version number, the table, projects, name, description, is template, is archived, metadata, updated by, date updated, owner, and date created. The customizable columns are different for each table. A typical experiment table usually includes the date start, date due, and protocols. They can be added or removed at the table's column setting. The read-only fields are displayed in gray, and the value cannot be changed. For other editable fields, click the edit icon to update the value. To copy the value of a column, click the copy icon next to a value. I hope this video is helpful. Please subscribe to our channel to get the most recent updates. If you would like to learn more about Libby ELN and LIMS, you can schedule a free online demo at schedule.libby.com.